Right, so I'm going to give this a good clean out now. You got that bucket? This is quite full, this. Well,
yeah.
So a nice one. Let's get up there and give it a good clean out. Right, see how. Right, I'll need that pole I've got it, haven't I, here?
Yeah.
Cool. Right, I'm going to turn it round now. Yeah, it's ram, this one.
Downspout? What?
Not too sure. No, I don't think it's that downspout's blocked. I haven't checked it yet, like, but I'll check it. Okay. Dig it in the ground. Look at all that. Shock it. No wonder it was overflowing. This is the kind of stuff you're going to find this time of year. This is all the stuff you'll find this time of year in the gutters. Yeah. You. Almost clear there. Right, we're all clear down that end. Right, time to tackle that side now. That's what we've got in the bucket. Yeah, camera, and you're honest, so why are you doing it? Trying to do it. It's a dirty job, but someone's gotta do it. You know what's the worst? Hey, when there's pigeon poo in it. You keep saying that. I don't know why you keep saying it. Just a bit of water left there now.